Welcome to this SAT Math session provided by Tutorgram. Topics covered in SAT Math section can be broadly divided into 4 different categories. Today, we will look at additional topics in math.
Let's learn the technique of completing the square. General equation of a circle is x minus h square plus y minus k square equal to r square. Let's imagine we are given a quadratic equation such as x square minus 4x plus y square plus 6y equal to 12. And we want to complete this square and make it look like equation of a circle. Let's take a look at x part of the equation. Coefficient of x is negative 4. Let's divide by 2. We will get 2 and add the square of 2 to both sides. Similarly, let's look at y part of the equation. Divide the coefficient of y, that is 6, by 2. We will get 3. Add the square of 3 to both sides. In short, you have to complete the binomial square for x part of the equation as well as for the y part of the equation. You can do this by dividing the coefficient of x by 2 and adding the square of it to both sides. And you will need to do the same thing to the coefficient of y as well. After this, we can see x squared minus 4x plus 2 squared is a perfect binomial square, and we can rewrite it as x minus 2 complete square. Similarly, y squared plus 6y plus 3 squared is also a perfect binomial square, and we can rewrite it as y plus 3 complete square. On the right side, we will get 12 plus 2 square plus 3 square, or 25, or rewrite 25 as 5 square. Therefore, center of the circle will be at 2, negative 3, and radius will be 5. In completing the square, we have used equations of perfect binomial squares. A square plus 2ab plus b square is equal to a plus b complete square. Similarly, a square minus 2ab plus b square is equal to a minus b complete square.
I would like to tell you about our services at Tutorgram. We provide one-on-one sessions to both high school and college students in physics, chemistry, math, and biology. We also help students increase their score in SAT, GRE, GMAT, and MCAT. All our tutors are graduates of Ivy League universities, and they will be more than happy to create personal and interactive study sessions for you. If you are interested in a trial lesson, please email or call us with your specific requirements, and we will get back to you.
Let's solve a problem based on the concepts of completing the square. We are given a quadratic equation x squared plus 8x plus y squared equal to 36. To complete the square, we will look at coefficient of x, which is 8, divide by 2, and we will get 4. Add square of 4 to both sides. X squared plus 8x plus 4 square is a perfect binomial square. It is very similar to a square plus 2ab plus b square form. It can be rewritten as x plus 4 complete square. On the right side, we will get 52. Comparing this to a general equation of a circle will give us center at negative 4, 0, and radius is going to be square root of 52. Since negative 4, 0 lies on the x-axis, therefore statement 1 is correct, that the center of the circle is on the x-axis. Statement 2 seems false, as radius is clearly not 6 units. Statement 3 can be easily checked by plugging x as 2 and y as 4 into the equation. That will give us 52. Therefore, statement 3 is correct. Only statement 1 and statement 3 are correct. Statement 2 is false.
If you're looking for one-on-one tutoring, please feel free to reach out via email or cell phone, and I will be happy to answer any of your questions. Please subscribe to our channel for more SAT content. Feel free to share this video with any friends who might need help with SAT math.